Throughout this series, we've been focusing on reducing stress in the workplace. So here are 4 simple tips that we can all apply today. 1. Remember the signs of your body's response to stress, like difficulty sleeping, increased alcohol or substance use, feeling easily angered, feeling depressed, or having low energy. 2. Take care of yourself through regular exercise, at least 30 minutes a day, eating healthy, and scheduling time for relaxing activities. And 3. Plan ahead, setting goals and priorities. Determine what must be done versus what can wait, and learn how to say no graciously to those new tasks that might push you into overload. And 4, get proper health care. If prolonged stress is causing you physical or mental issues, consult your healthcare provider right away. So based on what we've covered, what are you committed to start, stop, or continue doing to reduce stress in the workplace? Well, we can all start by being more compassionate and stop being so judgmental, keeping in mind that a person's stress levels might be triggered by a negative, sudden change or a traumatic event that we're not aware of. And hopefully you will continue being proactive so that you can anticipate and plan for stressful events in advance.